the tin is falling down on me right now. This is, oh! Yeah. Woo! Nice. Yes, sir. Better not be a shark. Better not be a shark. Come on. Might be a shark. Probably a shark. Damn it. Oh, nice. Nice. Perfect bait. Perfect sharp bait. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Perfect shark bait. Perfect shark bait. Perfect shark bait. Perfect shark bait. Honestly, literally, exact. Oh, nice big fish right in front of us. So, good morning, guys. This is Josh with Insane Outdoors, and we are trying to catch some shark bait for the freezer. And what do? Whoa! He did exactly what we needed to. All right, let's get another big fish on. See what we can do. That was awesome. Literally, that bait wasn't down for 5 seconds, and we were on a good fish. So yeah, honestly, not bad. Ooh, there's a shit ton of birds out, so we are doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good, all right. We're one big jack. Take what we can get. That was literally perfect for what we wanted. Whoa. Oh shoot, okay. So I'm seeing some big bait bust right over here. Holy crap. There's some big bait bust right here. Holy crap. We're gonna go ahead and get in the middle of this. Get in the middle of this. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. We just literally dropped the bait in the water. We are literally on again. Holy crap. Oh my God. Woo! Oh! Dude. Oh! 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 Yep. Right in. I'm talking about every time this bait hits the water right now. This is a good fish though. It's a much better fish. Woo! Dude, that was insane. I literally put the bait out and instantaneously. Holy crap. There's some big boats passing right now. We got some nice chop. Oh. Oh, this is hilarious. I mean, that was, look at that. There's a better fish. That is a nice fish. Whew. That's, nice fish. There's insane. Oh my God. He is, woo! That's a big jack. That's gotta be a big jack. Oh, yeah. That's, oh my gosh, you can just see the fish. Holy crap! This is insane! Oh, that's a big boy. Oh, it's a big boy. Oh, nice. That's a big boy right there. Holy crap. It is a fish frenzy right now. Holy crap. Whew. That was literally back to back. There's some fish right here too. Holy crap, this is crazy. There's some baits right here. Holy crap, they are right here. This is insane, dude. This is crazy. Let's see if we can hook up one. There's some big fish right here. Holy crap. Holy crap. Come on, dude. Give me another one. Give me another one. I'm gonna take all these. Oh, we had a hit. We had a hit. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. I'm afraid to put another one out. I know there's some good fish in here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me another one, dude. This is crazy. Come on. Give me another one. Give me another one. I just want one more. This is honestly the most friggin' fun. I love jacks. And these guys, oh my gosh, they're just huge. And they're right here. I bet you if I put one more out, we'll get another one. All right, screw it. Might as well, right? Might as well get one more. That was insane though, because the truth is, I didn't have any shark bait. I didn't have any shark bait today. I forgot it. Well, it wasn't forgotten. It was the fact that it was frozen. Oh my gosh. They're literally everywhere. They're all over the place. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh. And I mean exactly what I wanted to. Giant jacks for shark bait. We're gonna try to get one more on the lure, because let's see if we can. I mean, we definitely had a hit right here. I don't know if we'll be able to land it. I mean, there's some crazy blow-ups right here. I mean, by the way, you didn't get to see. Yeah, that's a big boy. Okay, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is some National Geographic stuff right here. Okay, man, by the way, you didn't get to see. Yeah, that's a big boy. All right, let's go get one more of these on the lure. Can't seem to find them now. All right, come on, come on, come on, come on. We're gonna go chase these guys down. This is crazy. These are the days that make you want to fish all the time. Where are these guys at? I mean, you can just see them blowing up. Come on, where are you at, guys? Oh, I see them. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I see them right in front of me, dude. Holy crap. Here we go. Oh! Here we go. Here we go. Crazy. This is awesome. Look at this sunrise. This is what it's all friggin' about. Time out. Okay, so we're not on them right this second now. So we gotta go find. Oh gosh. Probably just got like 20 plus pounds of jack right there. Huh. Alright, well, they're kind of running away. I'm losing them a little bit. I think we're going to run to the beach now. Let's see what we can do. We'll run to the beach. So yeah, guys, this morning we are out and about. We're in one of my favorite places in the world. And yeah, got out of the house at 3 o'clock this morning, and yeah, I think it's about like 3 o'clock this morning we got out of the house, and yeah, about an hour and 45-minute drive. Decided, all right, we'll get there in the dark. It's not my favorite thing to do when I'm solo, but I mean, where they say early bird gets the fish, and I was like, oh, my bait's frozen to the bait freezer. This freaking sucks. Holy crap, there's so many birds right now. It is National Geographic bird shot over here. You can't really see very well. I got so much goopy goop on my hands. We're gonna turn you back to me. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Hopefully you guys are not too smeared. I'm gonna try to wipe you guys off real quick. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take me back to the beach. It's so funny because I want another big jack, but I want it on. They destroyed my little lure. Two hits and the sucker's almost basically destroyed. Had to retie the leader because they are huge, so they're not just lightly bumping the bait here. But yeah, I mean, the goal is to catch a lot of bait today and then sharkfish tonight. And I already covered myself for bait tonight. I don't need any more. I would just be catching it for my friends at this point. Now they're wanting to fish one of my favorite spots, but unfortunately due to the storms and everything, ooh, there's some very stingy jellyfish in the water right now. So we're not doing that. I don't want to fish that spot because of the fact that, well, I don't want to get cut off. Ooh, I think I just saw some tarpon. So now it would be nice to, I would love to catch a tarpon. That would be my next favorite thing. Oh, big hammer. Oh, shoot. That wasn't a dolphin. That was a hammer. That's friggin' cool. Good sign, good sign. I mean, again, like I said, we're going shark fishing tonight. Holy crap, holy, there's a big wave right in front of me. Holy shamoly. Holy crap. These guys don't really care, but it's a lot for me to eat. Although I haven't had breakfast. Love, love, love the kayak. It's just a different game. Getting pulled around, getting beat up. It's a little bit more enjoyable, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, boats are friggin' sick. If I had one, I would definitely use it. But I just like the physical challenge of using a kayak because it's just harder. It's just more of a challenge, you know? I've got more weight. You know, I can pull myself around and everything like that, and use a trolling motor. Dang, that JYG got literally snapped. That's too funny. So I was trying to say earlier that I forgot my shark bait, and I've got this and a little bit of this to help me out. Yeah, gosh, you just gotta understand, these guys right here put up a wallop of a fight, and the sharks are gonna eat them, are gonna put up even more of one. Doing a little shark fishing on the beach, and as you can tell, water's coming in like crazy, and yeah, it just got crazy out of nowhere. It's honestly comical because the tin is falling down on me right now. This is too freaking funny. Holy shit. This is crazy. It's actually a crazy little storm right now. Holy crap, I'm having to the door with my foot open. This is crazy. This is honestly hilarious. That's fishing for you. Look at that. We literally chilled in the surf through a storm. There you go. Enjoy it, my friend. There you go. Nice. Hell yeah. Well, just remember, he's gonna try to run right.
Yep.
So you don't want to give him forever, but you're only a minute and a half in, so I just would think about it like this.
Yeah.
We might have to reel ours in a minute.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Yeah, I don't mind. One fish is enough. One fisheroonie is enough. Is it? Oh, there you go.
Call Tyler.
Nice.
Hey, guess what? Matt's getting hammied. Yeah, he's getting hammied.
Yes, sir, he does. Yeah, he's out there. You may reel yours in?
I've got water out there.
Okay. Of course. Reel mine in. You on the top shot? I got you. Alright, Matt. How does it feel to be on your first big boy shark?
Yeah, pretty good.
How did it feel to be ripped apart with a shark in your hand? Oh, there's a nice little...
Very scared.
There's a boat right there.
Yeah, I'm
It's alright, you're okay. I think he's gonna be okay. He's gonna...
that guy.
It's that guy, unfortunately. Hopefully so. There he goes. Let's see, hopefully. Tensions are high. Hopefully. I think we're gonna be okay. He looks like he's pretty far out. All right, we're good. Got it. So, sorry, Matt. Oh.